Today's safety topic, we're going to discuss horseplay in the workplace. Just 3 topics for today in horseplay. I think we'll touch base. Ladder safety, when someone is up high on a ladder and another individual may be shaking it or trying to distract the person. So someone operating the forklift and another individual trying to ride along with it or acting like they're going to jump out in front of it. Another one may be someone throwing sharp objects or any type object around or to get someone else's attention. Let's go out into our workplace now and let's see if we can discover and find any of these things. So right here is an example of what could be horseplay. You have a forklift operator getting ready to move the forklift, and then you get someone coming in like my friend here that jumps on the forks and wants to ride because he's too lazy to walk or just wanting to play. Is this a safe act to do? Not at all. This is horseplay at its finest. What if he slams his brakes on? His fingers could get caught. He could fall off and get run over. There's all kind of things that could happen with this. This is a big, big no-no. Here's another obstacle that we could use for horseplay with a ladder. So I'm going to go up this ladder. I have some lights I need to fix. So I'm going way, way up it. And I'm going to have a guy to come in and he wants to horseplay and he's going to shake me around and I don't know about it. And here I go shaking, see? Is this a safe act? By no means. It is not. What can happen? Well, I can fall off of the steps. I can fall on Tyler. I can turn my ankle. There's all different kind of things that can happen here. It is not safe. Last but not least, here we are with a couple copper fittings that you can see here. They weigh hardly nothing. But what if I get back here, just kind of hiding from Tyler, my co-worker, he doesn't know I'm here. And I take this sucker, or better yet, what if I take like this little light brazen rod, it's got sharp ends, and I toss it over the wall here to try to scare him, and it accidentally hits him in the back of the ear, the back of the head. Or what if he turns around in that moment and catches him in his eyeball? What do you think would happen? There's nothing good coming out of that, is it? So with that said, guys, we're not saying that you can't play in the workplace, but this is just one of 3 things that you do not want to do. Doesn't matter if someone's on the forklift or if they're even on the ladder, or if you're behind something like this, just want to get your friend's attention. Just remember these 3 things, along with many others. There's no time for horseplaying. If you have any questions, comments, or if you'd like to see other safety videos, please go to dehumidifiers.com.